So this shit was hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. See, he was working that thing, bending over and everything. Now he's like, "Oh my God, I gotta take my shirt off because this thing is really hard. Like this backyard is really bad." So now he's like taking up all of the bushes, all of the weeds, and he's laying the what do you call this thing again? The screening. It's called limestone screening. So this is to serve as like you know, we need more lime screen. So now I'm on my way to Canadian Tire. And if you don't know how to do this, with Canadian Tire, you go in and you pay for the limestone, and then you go through the drive-through outside in the garden area to pick it up. Hi, receipt for 5 bags. Now gotta go to Home Depot to pick up a rake and look for the flowers that I want to plant in the backyard. This was so fun, but I didn't see anything I really liked, but I did pick up something. Although everything that I went through were like 26 to 30 something dollars. I have passenger princess there, and back home where he's still raking and laying the limestones. You gotta kind of pat it down. And now we're like in the night, still laying the limestone. I'm telling you, this is hard work, literal hard work. And now he's wetting it because to get it to compact, you gotta wet it. So now we're laying the turf, which is the fake grass, and then planting my beautiful plant that I have kept alive for this long. Yay me. And so this was the next day, how it looked the next day, and I'm so proud of myself. Well, I didn't really do much, but yeah. Well, now I'm laying this white stone. It's really, really beautiful. I want it all around. And I got this 29.95 at Home Depot. This is like an outdoor rug to sit on so when I'm watching my son play. And yeah, I'm very proud of myself. Although, well, again, I didn't do much, but coming along nice. Nicely. And now I'm laying the stone because I want to create like a nice little, you know, ambient seating area where I just chill with a drink in my hand and, watch my son play on his slide and stuff like that. So Amazon just delivered my packages, the slide and the sandbox. Now I'm setting up the slide. And truth be told, this was the easiest thing to do, but I couldn't figure it out for a long time. So this is why I'm here just trying to figure it out. Finally got it. And here we have it. Now we're setting up the sandbox, and yeah, these are the two toys that he currently has, and putting up the umbrella. And now I'm laying the turf tape, which it seals the two pieces of turf together. Super easy as well to do. You just gotta make sure it lines up, and then you pull the tape all the way, and that's it. Now this is the area that yeah, this is it. I gotta go get play sand now, and I just laid some of those fancy stones around the flower that I planted. I mean, my friend planted, and this is like the finished product. So proud of myself again. Although didn't do much, but buy the stuff. But yeah, this is the sandbox. This is his slide with his little play sand by the side, and this is some toy that he got for his first birthday. So I'm very uh I'm very happy about this whole little backyard situation. And maybe next time I can do something big, but right now I have some fancy solar lights, and I bought these for 19.99, and this is what it looks like in the night. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is late evening, dusk, as you would call it. And yeah, this is what the light looks like late evening and also in the night. Very proud of myself.